Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to prepare lentil soup. First, gather all your ingredients. You will need 1 cup of red or green lentils, thoroughly rinsed. Also, prepare 1 chopped onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Have 4 cups of vegetable broth and 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes ready. Don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to start your delicious soup. Now, let's build the flavor base for our soup. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion, carrots, and celery to the pot. Sauté these vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they begin to soften. Then, stir in the 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. This step is crucial for a rich taste. Next, it's time to bring everything together for simmering. Add the rinsed lentils, the entire can of diced tomatoes, and the 4 cups of vegetable broth to the pot with your sautéed vegetables. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally until the lentils are tender and the soup has thickened to your liking. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your homemade lentil soup. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of cumin to enhance the flavors. For a creamier texture, you can blend a portion of the soup using an immersion blender directly in the pot. Garnish each serving with fresh chopped parsley or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Now, your delicious and nutritious lentil soup is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.